Hello everyone, welcome to this video. If you are tired of using the old command prompt, okay, and it looks like dated and you don't have any way to open new tabs, stuff like that, and your properties things like look really old, I have a good news for you. Okay, so what I'll do, I'm gonna go and type Windows Terminal and see what just coming up. So the first link, get the Windows Terminal. I'm gonna click on it, and you'll be stunned by the intro that Microsoft has done. Let me close that one, and you would think that you're looking at like an iPhone or like Android latest and greatest phone advertisement, but it's not. It's really the Windows terminal that you're looking at, and it's just all that stuff. It's telling you can run multiple tabs, stuff like that, and it's like the modern cutting edge. And if you read a little bit of what it is, the Windows Terminal is a modern, fast, efficient, powerful, and productive terminal application for users of command line tools and cells like Command Prompt, PowerShell, and WSL. Its main features includes multiple tabs, panes, Unicode, and UTF character support. So what you want to do, just want to click on the Get, and that's about it. So here, just go to Microsoft Store, and this terminal is currently supported on Windows 10, I think, and that's about it. So now I'm just gonna click on Get, and then you own this app, then just hit install, and now it's installing my most modern Windows terminal. And let's see, it's just got installed. Check it out. So let's just click on launch, and let's see, and there we go. So look at that. So I'll bring up your old version of the command prompt and the newer version of our Windows terminal and keep them side by side. Okay, so that's about it. So you now have the most modern Windows terminal. And the cool thing about it, if you see this drop down, if you click on it, it supports the PowerShell command prompt, even Azure Cloud Shell if you want to use it. And in here, for example, I can easily run PS version and do tab. So it's taking my tab completion, hit enter. I am getting my everything. What's the current state of my parcel? It's just telling me what it is. Over here in the command prompt, can I do this? If I do PS and then version, first of all, it's not taking the tab completion. And if I do PS version table, if I type it out and it's not recognizable. So again, so this is the mod, and another thing is really cool. You can now open multiple tabs in here and do a bunch of stuff in there. Okay, so here I can change this one back to a command prompt. Okay, and this one maybe I want to keep it like something else, like Azure Cloud Shell. So it will go and we'll have to open a web page to do that authentication, which I'm not showing in this video. But the purpose of the video to let you know there's a newer version of the command prompt that's available to you for your use, and you better use it. All right, that's all I wanted to share in this video. If you like this one, please give me a like and share and subscribe to the videos. Thank you.